This video introduces the group reading test results for VersaMini M830 label. The VersaMini M830 is developed based on Zendico IoT's unique trim-tolerant technology, allowing its final size to be smaller than the original antenna, down to just 33 by 13 millimeters. Powered by the Impinj M830 chip, it enables the use of smaller tag antennas without sacrificing read range or other performance factors, and offers improved readability of hard-to-read items with Gen 2X reader mode. With its compact design and excellent resistance to liquids, VersaMini is a perfect fit for cosmetics, home goods, and small retail items. We select 800 representative products from 4 categories in the cosmetics industry: plastic bottles, glass bottles, hand cream, and powder compacts. For labeling, we applied different methods depending on the product category to ensure stable label performance. For plastic pump bottles, labels were placed on the side of the cap, with transparent tape applied in advance to secure threaded caps. For regular plastic bottles and glass bottles, labels were applied to the center of the cap. Hand cream tubes were labeled using a partially exposed flag tag at the tube end. Compact powders were labeled on the lower right corner of the back of the packaging. The test items were placed across 4 shelves: A, B, C, D. Testing was carried out with the Chainway C72 PDA, configured to 30 dBm power and the US frequency band. We conducted group reading tests on 800 items labeled with VersaMini, using Gen 2 Reader Mode 4 and Gen 2X Reader Mode 14. The test is divided into several sections. The first is the static shelf inventory scan. An operator stands 2 meters away from the shelves while holding a PDA and performs 5 static scans using Gen 2 Reader Mode 4 and Gen 2X Reader Mode 14. Each scan lasts 10 seconds, with the PDA kept stationary throughout, and the average result is recorded. Under the same counting time conditions, Gen 2X Reader Mode delivers 72.74% inventory accuracy improvement versus Gen 2 Reader Mode. The store-wide walk-around inventory is next, targeting 800 items labeled with VersaMini labels. An operator hold a PDA with adjusted parameters and modes, stands 1.5 meters away from the shelf facing it, and scan layer by layer along the planned path. The scanning duration is 10 seconds, and the average data from 5 tests is recorded. Under the same inventory time, Gen 2X Reader Mode delivers 16% inventory accuracy improvement compared with Gen 2 Reader Mode. Overall, in these simulated tests of VersaMini labels, the Gen 2X Reader Mode shows improved inventory accuracy versus Gen 2 Reader Mode, clearly demonstrating the excellent performance of the VersaMini M830 labels.